Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep on the pre-owned side, and I'm super excited to be taking you on a tour of this absolutely stunning 2015 Grand Cherokee SRT that's just recently arrived into our pre-owned inventory. This has only had one previous owner, is accident free, and was bought right here at this dealership. It's shown in the very pretty billet metallic color. Under the hood you have the powerful 6.4 liter SRT Hemi V8 engine with the fuel saver MDS. It's also paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is top of the line. There's too much to tell you in a video. We'd be here for too long. So definitely come on down, check this out for yourself, take it for a drive. It sounds amazing, it feels amazing, and you're gonna love it. Let's head on inside. You do get a remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, remote hatch, and panic button. You also get a proximity key system, so as long as the key is somewhere on you, you just put your hand behind the handle and it'll automatically unlock. As we head inside, you have beautiful detailing. So starting with the carbon fiber finish in here, you have power mirrors, windows and locks, nice white stitching for detailing, memory seating, storage, and you also have a upgraded SRT high performance audio system in here. Heading into these seats, they're leather on the outside and a beautiful soft touch suede on the inside. The camera doesn't do this justice, it's really pretty in person. You get that SRT emblem, all weather mats throughout here. Into your heated leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control options over on your right, including adaptive cruise control. On your left you have Bluetooth and hands-free, as well as dash navigation. You also have those paddle shifters that you can use if you wish to do so. You also have audio mounted controls, so behind my fingers there, on both the left and the right of the steering wheel, you have the ability to change station source and volume with just the touch of a button. Over on the left hand side, fully automatic headlights with fog lights as well. So you have power, tilt, and telescopic abilities. 24,502 kilometers, so lots of information that you're able to scroll through on here. It's a beautifully laid out dash, very easy to look at. Over on the right you have your push button start, so again with that proximity key system you'll never have to search for your keys again. You can just put your foot on the brake and the vehicle will start. Beautiful detailing up on the dash, AM, FM, and satellite capabilities. For your media you can connect through USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, SD card. So again, heated and ventilated seats, so perfect for winter and summer, 2 different zones. Your heated steering wheel, dual zone climate in here once we turn it on, and you also have that great auto feature, so everyone's going to be super comfortable climate wise. This is a really easy screen to navigate through. Full navigation, phone setup screen, and you actually have a screen just dedicated to your SRT. So as we head on down, you have your manual climate and audio controls. You also have your park sensor, the forward collision warning, your econo button, and your traction control. And as we head down further, you have storage in there with all of your media inputs, so you can keep everything nice and clean and tidy. 2 illuminated cup holders, your shifting area. And we'll give you a quick view into the console area here. So you have 2 different trays, a top shallow one and a bottom one with a DC outlet in here. I'll give you a perspective onto the passenger seat again. The camera doesn't do it justice, it was just recently detailed so you can see those lines, but it's a really pretty comfortable suede to sit on. Lockable glove compartment down below. And again, that carbon fiber detailing up above. It's a dark headliner, illuminated vanity mirrors in your sun visor. So up above you do have your garage door transmitters if you wish to use them, interior lighting, sunglass storage, and the controls for your absolutely gorgeous dual pane panoramic sunroof. So we're going to give you a view of that in just a moment. So here's a nice view of that once everything's open. It's huge and beautiful. As we head into the back row here, again, the detailing has continued back here as well. You do of course have your power window option back here. Beautiful all-weather mats again, storage along the back of the seats. You also have heated seats back here, an AC outlet, and 2 USB plugins. Very comfortable back here. You do have a center armrest that pulls out with 2 additional cup holders. And these seats do fold flat. You get this nice cover to keep all the crumbs out of that center area, and a beautiful all-weather mat back here as well. As we head into the back, it is a power tailgate, so you just press the button and it'll do the work for you. So again, great utility mat back here. Underneath you do get a spare tire. And to the side you do have a flashlight and a storage compartment. Lots of tie down areas. You do have room for a tonneau cover in here if you wish to put one. and you just press that power tailgate button and everything will fold down. So you've seen now that it is a beautiful interior. It's in practically brand new condition. You would not know that this is a pre-owned unit, but people purchase these for the drive and the feel and the performance. So definitely come on down, book yourself for a test drive. We can answer any questions you may have or give you any information that I may have missed. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.